This is an emergency broadcast. This is not a test. All residents in the affected areas are advised to remain in their homes between 10 p.m. and 12 a.m. local time. Do not rely solely on visual confirmation of conditions outside your residence. Lock all doors and windows. If necessary, bring basic supplies and remain indoors. Do not go outside during this time. If you observe any unusual activity outside your residence, do not approach or investigate. Contact local authorities immediately. Remain inside your residence until 7:21 a.m. or until further notice.